boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. This will be a quick one for the song called Qué Pecao. It's with Manuel Turizo and Kapo. And speaking of Kapo, we have the Kapo set here on the 2nd fret. That's the setup. Let's go over the chords needed for the song. We have 4 different chords and a strumming pattern. That's it. All right, so let's start with G first. All right, that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have A next, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, open E. We have D, and that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. And the final chord is B minor, of course a bar chord. So we play the bar here on the 2nd fret and we bar all strings except for the last E string. We don't need that. So you do that on the 2nd fret, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So that's the order of the chord progression here: G, A, D, B minor. Now we need to learn how to handle them. So grab the first chord, the G, and one string around will be down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. All right, so you're gonna play 2 of these string rounds per chord. So G2, A2, D2, B minor 2, like this. And there you have it, my friends. Qué Pecao. Good luck with this one and play tuned.